I'm so excited for the new terminal to open because it is a terminal that is for Pittsburghers, built by Pittsburghers, and it represents that through and through.
I can't wait to go on a flight, take my family with me, walk through the new terminal and start pointing out, yep, we did that. Hey, we took part in that too. You see this? Yeah, we also did that.
Absolutely stunning, I think. I love the amount of light you've got here.
This airport here, this is like walking into somewhere in the Gulf, whether it's Abu Dhabi or Doha or Dubai, and it's a vision of the future. But it's also a lovely expression of the heritage of Pennsylvania.
You're going to see these beautiful tree columns that are holding up the roof. You see the rolling hills in the roof.
All of the innovation that they've put into the baggage system and communication system throughout the airport is really lovely to see. It's going to be a world-class airport.
As a business leader, I'm looking for smoothness and just the whole sense of experience that you get from the minute that you step into, the airport.
First of all, it's beautiful, but the beauty is going to be exceeded by the experience that people have when they come here.
Pittsburgh is a community where people pick up and drop off. That is rare at airports. And so we wanted to make sure that there's space. There are a lot of military families here. There's space for all those little kids with the balloons and the signs.
I think anybody coming into Pittsburgh for the first time will experience this terminal and get a feel for what the city is all about.
You land, you're going to know you're in Pittsburgh.